Good morning. Today we're going to put an equalizer brackets on my trailer so that it tows better. I had it without them, but it sags quite a bit. I had them on my old trailer, so now I order them. So let's put them on. Alright, they're going to look like this. I have it still have it hooked up here, so it's not taking all the weight, but just hooking them up. So I'll put the other side in. Alright, the barbecue propane tank covers are right here, and it's right where I need it to be. I'm gonna get that other clip. Straighten this out a little bit. It's going to be a little pain to put this clip in, but it's the way it has to be. You need to have your socket. Your bracket comes with a bolt at the back. Let's put it on. You really have to tighten it while you tighten it, but all the weight's pulling it together anyway, so it just has to be tight enough so it doesn't wobble. Put my equalizer bars in. We'll make sure it's in the right spot. There, let's test it. Right, I'm just going to measure from the other side, because the other side is in 16 and 7/8. Right there. That way they're the same. Might as well make them the same for 2 more seconds. I'm going to tighten that down and we'll try it. Alright, my wife came home. She was pretty excited. But I thought it was because I had the camper, was hooking up the camper, but it's because our friends found their puppy. Well, that's good news too. Alright, I tightened it up. You don't need to be bored with that. Let's try it. I'm going to leave it on the third link. There. Just slide that in. Flip it. There it goes. We'll have to adjust it more when it's on level ground and the hitch isn't on. But there you go. That's how you install your equalizer bar. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's show, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Later.